Did you know Japan has over 90,000 people living past 100? That's more centenarians per capita than any other country on Earth. Now, compare that to the US, where we spend billions on gym memberships and supplements, yet chronic joint pain, knee stiffness, and physical decline still hit most Americans hard after 50. What is their secret? It's not just diet. It was hiding in 6 simple daily movements, so subtle doctors once dismissed them. But these 6 habits, perfected over generations, are the real key to maintaining strong knees, flexible hips, and perfect balance well into your 90s. Researchers linked just one of these movements to a 7-year increase in lifespan. If you're 50 plus and tired of those creaky knees or losing your grip on independence, stay with me. This is Yesterday's Knee, and we're here to help you move pain-free. Before we dive in, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps this information reach more people who need to get past their yesterday's knee pain. Number 6. Forget power walking. This is Sampo, the art of slow, mindful movement. Japanese elders walk at half their normal pace, often paired with a specific breathing rhythm. Inhale for 2 steps, hold for 2, exhale for 4. This forces your foot to fully engage with the ground, heel to arch to toe, activating all 33 joints in your foot. Why does this matter for your knees? Because it retrains your balance system, strengthening the stabilizing muscles around your joints. Studies show seniors who practice Sampo daily had 62% less arterial stiffness. Start with just 10 minutes on natural terrain, like grass. You won't sweat, but you will feel more grounded and stable. Number 5. Every morning in Japan, millions move in sync to a soft piano melody called Radio Taiso. This is a flowing 3-minute routine of 13 gentle stretches. There's no sweating or planks, no downward dogs, just rhythmic, continuous movement. Arm circles, gentle side bends, knee lifts. This ritual is essential because it lubricates the joints by stimulating synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil. Without it, stiffness sets in fast after 50. Research found that those who practiced this daily had 40% fewer falls and full range of motion in their hips and shoulders even into their 80s. Do it first thing in the morning, in your pajamas. It's only 3 minutes long. Number 4. Walk through a park in Tokyo, and you'll see elders resting comfortably in a deep squat, heels flat, back straight. Most people over 50 in the West can't hold this posture at all, and that's a problem. We've lost this natural posture because of chairs. Deep squatting opens your hips through their full range and strengthens the muscles crucial for knee and hip integrity. A 12-year study found that those who could hold a deep squat for at least 2 minutes had a 70% lower chance of needing assisted living. It keeps your knees strong and your hips mobile. Tip: if your heels lift, place a small rolled towel under them. Start near a wall for support and hold for 20 to 30 seconds a few times a day. Number 3. In Japan, doctors prescribe this. Stand on one leg for 1 minute, 2 times a day. It sounds silly, but a 15-year study found that those who practiced this daily had 68% fewer hip fractures. When you stand on one leg, your body makes hundreds of micro adjustments, activating your core, hips, and ankles. Mayo Clinic researchers now say your ability to balance on one leg is a stronger predictor of longevity than your cholesterol or blood pressure. Here's how to start safely. Stand near a wall. Lift one foot just an inch. Breathe normally. Too easy? Try it with your eyes closed, but be near support. Number 2. The humble act of getting up and down from the floor dozens of times a day is part of life in Japan. This movement might be the single best test of how well you're aging. A massive study found that those who could sit down on the floor and rise back up without using their hands had dramatically better lower body strength, joint flexibility, cognitive scores, and shockingly, a lower mortality rate. Why? Because this transition demands coordination, core stability, and motor planning, all things that silently decline after 50. Tip: start simple. Lower yourself to a kneeling position using a chair for support. Even just 2 or 3 transitions a day can build noticeable strength. The day you can't get off the floor is the day you stop living on your own terms. Number 1. This final movement might look the simplest, but it's credited by centenarians as their #1 secret to staying strong. Take a towel, hold it at shoulder height, pull outward gently as if trying to tear it, and slowly twist your torso to one side, keeping your hips forward. That tension activates deep stabilizer muscles that rarely fire in typical workouts. And the stat is incredible. Japanese elders who practiced this towel twist daily for just 2 minutes lived 7 years longer on average. It kept their grip strength and bone density high well into their 90s. Tip: do it first thing in the morning and again before bed. It bookends your day with activation and recovery, calming your nervous system and priming your brain. No gym, no noise, just you, a towel, and 2 minutes that could change everything. Safety first. Start where you are. If you're dealing with joint pain, poor balance, or past injuries, don't worry. You're not behind. You're just getting started, and that matters. Here are a few tips to stay safe. Always practice near a wall, countertop, or sturdy chair. Start with the standing movements first, like sampo, or the towel twist. For deep squats or floor transitions, use cushions or supports until your body adapts. And most importantly, listen to your body. Pain is not progress. Talk to your doctor or physical therapist if you have any specific concerns, because aging well isn't about pushing hard, it's about moving smart every day. The choice to age differently, that starts today. You don't need to move to Japan to age like the Japanese, you just need to move with purpose. What you've seen today isn't a workout plan. It's not a trend, it's not anti-aging, it's a return to natural human movement, the kind we slowly lose in a chair-bound, screen-filled, convenience-driven lifestyle. These 6 movements take less than 15 minutes a day. They don't require sweat, willpower, or expensive equipment. What they do require is a mindset shift from trying to fight age to flowing with it intelligently. And here's the real secret. The Japanese elders aren't doing these things because they want to live forever. They do them because they want to live well, clear-headed, strong, and independent for as long as life allows. You can start with just one movement, 1 minute, one choice. And that single decision could ripple into years of better balance, brain health, and vitality. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 movements spoke to you the most? Are you planning to start one today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone and reply when I can. Because aging isn't something we endure, it's something we master. Defy decline. Thrive.